Hello, my name is Nihamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, gospel song singer Yada new song is out, and we're going to design the cover album for that song. Be yourself. I'm going to go over here and I'll get a background. All right, this is the background I'll be using. Okay, so it's a very simple song. Sorry, it's a very simple design. I'm loving the song already. Alright, so this is stuff here. Alright, I'm going to go over here and I'll get this. I'll enable it, then I'll go over here, click on color, enable, go to gradient, choose this, duplicate it, go over there, do this. Alright, click on this, mesh this together. Alright, go to erase colors, enable increase tolerance. Perfect. Now we can go over there, back to colors, and we'll choose a white color for it. Good. Alright, so I'll do this like this, do this like this. Are you getting this? Alright, so I'll click on gallery. From gallery, I'll bring one of the images, which is this. Alright, okay, this is it. Alright, I want this background to even to be blur. This background, I want it to be blurry. So I'm going to go to where are you? I'll go to okay, so let's go. Let's bring this guy here. Okay. Let's go to photo room. Alright. This is the background. There's a problem here. Alright, so let's work with this. Let's just come back and work with this. Okay. So let's go. Be yourself. Alright. I'll click on this. Let's look for a decent font. Let's look for a decent font. Um, okay, almost there. Okay, let's work with this. Right, I'm going to increase the picture a little. I'll put it down here. All right, I'll bring this here. Okay, I'll pick the color of this green. All right, there is it now. This particular one here. Okay. Right, then I'll send the picture to the front. Then let's get a name. Okay, Yada. So alright, let's go and use a black for it. Okay, so reduce it a little and then increase the space. Alright, okay, then we'll go over there and get the logo. Okay, there's an error in the logo, but it will not be seen. So this is the logo. Okay, I'll put it at the middle, or I think it's okay at the middle. Okay, let's push this image here a little, centralize it. Okay, centralize it. Okay, and this be yourself, let's centralize it also. Okay, then let's centralize the Yada and see. Okay, let's see first. It will not work, so I have to push it this way. Okay, then this one also, let it be centralized. Okay, I'm going to bring in another image. I will faint it inside the background and see how it goes. Let's see. So this one here. Alright, go. If it doesn't, okay, I would reduce the opacity. Okay, let's see. Alright, or should it be here? Reduce opacity. Okay, alright, then would also increase the brightness. Copy and make it like this. No. Alright, alright, so this is a simple design for this music cover. It's cool. Let's lock these guys. Alright, so this is it. We're going to save this design right now, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get more tutorials like this. and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post tutorial like this. I remain your friend Niyamuda. Check the screen, you're going to see videos that you can watch. I'll see you in another tutorial. Thank you so much.